So this will be the first time in roughly 25 years that I haven't been in the Vallejo 4th of July parade with the GVRD Lifeguards. And as a tradition, we would always hit the crowd with water guns, water balloons, and whatnot. So this year, I had a little surprise for them because I'm going to ambush them with my own cooler of water balloons. So I got the cooler packed up, ready to go, heading downtown to Georgia Street. Going to find a nice little spot and enlist a few other people in this ambush plot. See how it goes. I have a feeling though I'm gonna get wet, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens.
Hey, don't. Yes, I do. Go sit down. Anthony.
I'm gonna take 3 of those at once.
Okay.
Bob, I'm gonna throw this one at them.
Okay, but you have to wait till they get to here. Okay, you gotta stay low.
I know. The one that hit the floor.
I can make this one literally take out somebody.
Bob, is that the one with the shark?
Yes.
Behind the trees.
I got one.
I got 2. Oh yeah, this is good.
Okay, we got it. We gotta go behind the trees though. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah, just wait for him. Because here's an opening right here. We don't want to get anybody wet, so just kind of be, see this? Okay, you ready?
Coming up next is our continuous GVRD Lifeguard.
You got in for the walrus. Narwhal, yeah.
Can I try this?
No, you'll ruin it. Keep your balloons down, Luca. Come on, keep them down. Because as soon as I throw mine, I'm gonna go out there and give him a hug, you know.
Aiming for the guy in the seashell top.
Coming through, ladies and gentlemen, GVRD.
Hey, let them get all the way to here. You gotta wait, right? Stay on target. Stay on target. Stay on target. No, scoot back, scoot back. Keep them down. Keep them down. Hold. Hold. All right, on 3, ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's what my goal was.
Oh, we are out of balloons for sure.
Yeah. That was my strategy. The belly flop. I got a lot of people in there. No worries. I have my snipers ready. How'd you get to a little bit? You see the water balloons coming?
went pretty good. I think that was a success. Yeah, well done. Well done, team. Well done. The ambush. Good job, Luca. Marco, good job, buddy. I think you might have hit me, though. I felt one across the bow.
I had the one time.
Yo, you meant to.